Today we're talking about something that's already changing the world faster than anyone thought: AI taking over real jobs. Not science fiction. Not 10 years from now. Right now. And the craziest part? It's not just factory workers or truck drivers losing their jobs anymore. Doctors, lawyers, teachers, creatives, writers, designers. If you think your career is safe, you might want to think again. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how AI is replacing real workers, where it's happening, what no one's telling you, and what you can actually do about it before it's too late. Stick with me until the end, because this is something every working person needs to hear. Let's jump right into it. First, let's look at the big picture. A major report by Goldman Sachs predicts that over 300 million jobs worldwide will be affected by AI automation in the next few years. 300 million. That's nearly the entire population of the United States. And it's not just affecting blue-collar industries like manufacturing. It's lawyers. It's finance workers. It's media creators. And according to a 2025 survey of Fortune 500 companies, 42% of them have already started actively replacing human roles with AI-based systems. That's almost half of the largest companies in the world. Customer service departments? Automated. Legal research teams? Automated. Marketing departments? Partially automated. It's happening faster than people realize. Now let's talk about real-world examples. Take Klarna, the massive payments company. In 2024, Klarna replaced almost its entire customer service team with an AI chatbot, a bot that now handles over 2/3 of all customer inquiries automatically. Customers actually rated the AI service higher than human service reps. Think about that. Not only was the bot faster, it actually performed better in the customer's eyes. Let's move to the legal field. Platforms like Harvey AI are now helping law firms draft contracts, summarize complex cases, and prepare documents that used to take teams of paralegals days to complete. Harvey AI can finish it in under an hour. And healthcare? Google's DeepMind developed an AI system that can diagnose over 50 types of eye disease just by analyzing a scan, faster and with more accuracy than a trained specialist. We're talking about people's lives in the hands of algorithms now. And education? AI-driven tutoring systems are being tested in school districts across the US. Students learn from AI programs that personalize lessons based on how quickly the student understands the material. Some schools are even piloting AI-based teachers in virtual classrooms. Art and creativity? Don't even get me started. AI programs like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Suno are creating jaw-dropping pieces of art, writing music, designing logos, and even creating animated short films. Thousands of artists have already lost freelance gigs to AI artwork. We are watching human creativity collide headfirst with artificial intelligence. Let's talk about robots too. You might have seen clips of Figure 01, a humanoid robot created by Figure AI. This robot can walk, lift objects, take voice commands, and is being trained to perform basic warehouse tasks. And companies like Tesla are working on their own humanoid robots. Imagine a warehouse or a factory floor where the workers never need a break, never get tired, and never demand a raise. The technology is already here. It's just a matter of how fast companies roll it out. Some people think this will only affect low-wage jobs. Wrong. It's already moving up the ladder into white-collar careers. Programmers, data analysts, copywriters, designers. Jobs that people thought were untouchable just a few years ago. And here's the scary part. The speed of AI advancement isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. What took AI 5 years to learn before now takes it 5 months or even 5 weeks. The feedback loop is getting faster. The AI improves itself. It retrains itself. It upgrades without asking anyone's permission. Now before we all panic, there's still hope. There are still jobs that AI struggles with. For now. Jobs that require deep emotional intelligence. Jobs that need complex problem solving in unpredictable environments. Jobs that involve true creative risk-taking, leadership, negotiation, and human intuition. Nurses. Therapists. Entrepreneurs. Electricians. Plumbers. And anyone who manages complicated human relationships or crisis situations. But even in those fields, AI isn't staying out forever. There are AI nurse assistants, AI mental health bots, AI project management tools for leadership roles. The message is clear. If you want to survive and thrive in the AI age, you have to start working with AI, not against it. The people who ignore it will get left behind. The people who learn how to use it will move ahead faster than ever. Now here's what no one is telling you. It's not just about losing jobs. It's about who controls the future. Right now, a tiny group of massive tech corporations owns the most powerful AI systems. They are deciding the rules. They are deciding what AI can and can't do. They are deciding which industries live and which ones die. And they are doing it without asking you. If you think the wealth gap is bad now, imagine what happens when the top 1% owns the most powerful labor force the world has ever seen, AI. The danger isn't just losing your job. The danger is losing control. That's why understanding AI today isn't optional. It's survival. So what can you do about it? First, start learning AI tools immediately. Even simple ones like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Suno, and Gamma can give you a massive edge in business, creativity, and communication. Second, build skills AI can't easily replace. Focus on leadership, emotional intelligence, original thinking, problem solving, salesmanship, anything that requires real human-to-human influence. Third, stop being a passive consumer. Create. Start your own brand, your own channel, your own business, your own content. Leverage AI to build assets, not just scroll for entertainment. And finally, stay educated. Stay ahead of the curve. Because the world is going to look completely different 5 years from now. The ones who prepare today are the ones who will own tomorrow. I'm Mark with Avoice Podcast News. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, smash that like button, share this video with someone you care about, and subscribe for more straight talk about tech, the future, and what it means for you. Stay smart. Stay prepared. Get educated about AI. Start learning it again before it's too late. And I'll see you in the next video.